Uh-oh. Here we go. Shoot. Why are you activated? What's wrong with you? How did you activate? Oh, it's unrecognized warning.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Radar. Detect flash flooding of small creeks and streams.
Holy shoot.
Highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as unformed drainage.
Dude, are you getting this? Well, of course you are. Holy shoot.
Dixon, White Bluff, Burns, Charlotte.
This is what you call early morning flooding here, ladies and gentlemen.
Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flood.
I just said early morning, not night. Dude, that was scary. I just got jumped by OHX for the second time. Like, geez, dude. Okay, guys, before the next alert comes on, we have a damage threat considerable flash flood warning for Dixon, Hickman, Houston, and Humphreys. And it's observed local law enforcement, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks, streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Dude, everyone in this area needs to seek shelter, correct, Sirens?
Correct.
Dude, this is serious.
Oh, you got that right.
Damage threat considerable.
You want to get on StreamYard or something?
Maybe, but this is nothing to mess around with. Damage threat considerable.
I know.
Dude, this might become a flash flood emergency, in all seriousness.
Yeah.
Well, we'll just have to wait and see.
Reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area.
That scared me.
Between 3 and 9 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already
Activate again.
This is a flash flood emergency.
Oh my God!
Houston, Humphreys, Hickman, and Dixon.
Flash flood emergency!
This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now.
Oh my God.
Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: emergency management reported.
Jesus.
Impact: this is a particularly dangerous situation.
Oh no.
Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash
Guys,
flooding of low water
flash flood emergency.
small creeks and streams.
Flash flood emergency for Dixon!
Tennessee Ridge, Charlotte, Van Leer, Slayton, Pinewood, Menley, Bon Aqua, Lyles, Prince Springs, and Houston County Airport. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation.
Holy
Do
crap.
not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under any evacuation order. Don't drown while encountering flooded roads. Most accidents occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. At 6:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms.
This is a flash flood emergency for Dixon. Sorry I got cut off, guys, but I had to go do something. Flash flood emergency for Dixon. Oh my God.
Dude, this is
Flash flood emergency for Houston, Humphreys, Hickman, and Dixon counties. Oh my God. Dude, I knew this was gonna happen.
Yeah, sure.
Because I had to face the inevitable. I knew they were considering it. Oh my God.
let's see if it works.
Dude, this. Oh my god. Dude, I gotta get out of AMF fun. Okay, they probably already passed. Hold on a minute, I gotta get Rutherford in here. Hey, dude. Dude, there's a flash flood emergency for Dixon.
I swear I jinxed it.
Yeah, I even said that, oh, there might be some flash flood emergencies. Look what we got here, a flash flood emergency for Dixon.
Oh my.
Wait, can I have Murfreesboro in here?
I don't have all my radios, but I got it like 400, and actually got that off of 94 FM, 94.5 FM. Like super scared right now because that's my second FFD product I've ever gotten in my life.
Same here. Dude, this is serious. Can I add Murfreesboro real quick?
What?
Can I add Murfreesboro real quick?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Okay, I'll add him.
Can you add Aiden?
Flash flood freaking emergency.
Hold on, let me have my video. Crap.
Holy shoot.
Yeah, that is a flash flood emergency, guys.
Hold on. Oh yeah, WNPT. This is gonna be YouTube first, but I don't care about YouTube first.
Dude, this is so scary. What? Oh my god.
Okay, where's this warning? Here it is.
This is the flash flood emergency.
Here we go. WNPT. Here was the relay they just did.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Oh, I was recording it.
Oh darn it.
Oh, gosh dang it.
I'm so scared. Hold
The
on.
National
I'm
Weather
gonna go
Service
put
in
my.
Nashville has issued a flash flood warning for Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Northern Hickman County in Middle Tennessee, Houston County in Middle Tennessee,
God.
You guys, I'll
Northeastern
be back.
Humphreys
I'm
County
grabbing
in Middle
radio.
Tennessee at 10:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:47 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Emergency Management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 3 and 9 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Houston, Humphreys, Hickman, and Dixon counties. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms
Flash
producing
flood freaking emergency.
Emergency management reported. Impact.
This
This is
is
a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations.
I just heard my radio's going off and I couldn't find my phone.
Waverly, Centerville, Erin, White Bluff, McEwen, Burns, Tennessee Ridge, Charlotte, Van Leer, Sladen, Pinewood, Nimley, Bon Aqua,
Yeah, that's a long way.
Burns, Prince Springs, and Houston County Airport. Move to higher ground now.
Jesus.
This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Dude.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
Okay, there's WNPT. Dude, I just bet you that I'm gonna see right here. Flash flood emergency.
Holy crap. Holy crap.
Let me see, Twitter. Home. Flash flood emergency, including Dixon, Waverly, White Bluff. Holy shoot. I gotta tweet something out to the people. FFE for dicks.
Y'all shut up for a minute.
Holy shoot.
I need to call Nate right now. Wait, guys, they might be doing FFW for run purpose. Look at all the rain that we're getting.
Yeah, look at the rain we're about to get.
Please don't say in a couple hours flash flood emergency for Rutherford County. Oh my
Dude,
God,
that better not happen.
Holy crap!
I swear, that better not happen.
Damage reports.
Okay, time to make the announcement.
I'm tweeting on all that. Hold on, I'm gonna have to go. Give me a second.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go make an announcement on my server. Flash emergency.
Twitter. Wait, what's that on WSF?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
You left flash?
Hayden, there's a flash flood emergency. What was that? There's a flash flood emergency for Dixon.
Oh my God, this is scary.
Holy shoot. Dude. Okay, I'm gonna stop recording. But whenever that next one, I'm gonna stop recording now, so I can talk with you about something. But oh my God, oh my God. Let's scroll through FM.
And then we have...
gozándome con la palabra de Dios, gozándome.
It's the fourth highest rated cable news channel, and it's a day's out, at least.
Yes, we did.
Awesome.
We had a young man that áreas.
Last year,
Jeez.
I actually got the FFE.
Dude,
this the reason how I got it is because I woke up exactly a minute before they issued it.
Oh. I've been up ever since the first warning was issued. I got woken up by it and didn't catch it.
Same.
But I'm just gonna say this right now. Anyone in Dixon watching this video, prayers to your family.
I urge you, move to High Road now. Please. This
Yeah, your life depends on it.
situation. Take cover now.
Take cover. I mean, seek higher ground.
Let me give you some advice. If you're living in Dixon, Humphreys, Houston, or Montgomery, or any of those counties, please, if you see water rising in your area, seek higher ground now. Don't go by automobile. I've known too many people that have died that way, getting stalled in their vehicle.
Also, even if you have a runoff, it's still flooding is still a dangerous situation. A runoff isn't gonna save you. What's saving you is your actions. So you gotta seek higher ground.
It can also remember that 6 inches of water can carry you off your feet.
Yeah.
12 inches can carry you away. So just keep that in mind when you.
Yeah, a foot of water can even damage your home. Just a foot.
Okay. Murfreesboro, I'm trying to give a PSA. Can you please mute yourself?
Yes.
Okay, we're good. So basically, Hayden.
Yeah.
Did you get the FFE?
I did not. I was either asleep or in the restroom.
Oh.
Oh, well, this is actually my second FFE catch of the year, and I am surprised that Nashville likes to play with floods. So, this is.
I was watching the news. Apparently, 9+ inches.
Oh, shoot, Discord crashed. That's fine though. Just restart. Sorry about that.
If they issue another FFW, I'm gonna lose my mind.
Yeah, they're probably gonna issue one for us soon.
Yeah, probably for Davidson, so be on the lookout.
Davidson, Rutherford, Wilson, Williamson, all those counties.
And if I swear they issue an SSE for all these counties.
If they issue it for Davidson and Rutherford especially, I'm gonna be... I'll probably not be on for like a month.
Yeah. Also...
This is flooding insanity.
This is the benefits of staying in the EAS community, is that you can actually capture the rarest lord of the band. No, the rarest lord known to man is probably an EAM, but that will never happen. Maybe a TRE.
I never got a tornado emergency. I never got one. Sadly.
Pardon me.
I've gotten
I'm
some,
not feeling
but
well right now.
I've gotten
I
a
will
couple,
probably never catch
but they were out of state.
I will probably never record an I will probably never count the EAM.
Unless it's like a test or something. Unless it's a test.
Unless it's a test, I'm not going to count the EAM.
Because that's a national emergency. You don't post that and show it off to your friends. That's dumb.
Also, I would like to mention that the EAN, I don't think it's even used as an EAS code. And yesterday.
EANs aren't used. Or not EANs.
Or like the national
EATs
emergency.
aren't used anymore.
Yeah, like, I think ENTs aren't used.
EATs got replaced with NICs.
Yeah.
And there's only been a couple fake NICs.
Hey, Jack, can you send me your videos real quick? I just need to recheck all the videos that you have.
Hey guys, you
I can't right now. I'm on my PC and I'm recording
I
right now.
can't.
NIC is meant for update.
Well, yeah, get that PSA out there. If you're in Dixon, seek higher ground now. Your life depends on it.
Yeah, your life is this is a very dangerous situation. So if you are in Dixon, take cover immediately. Or get the higher ground.
Don't take cover in your house. Actually, just move to higher ground, like most floods. Because flash flooding is actually a very dangerous situation.
And don't drown either. Don't drown. Not don't drown. Don't drive.
Also, I sent my video in the chat.
Do not
Oh
drive.
yeah, I'll do the same.
If you drive, you're probably going to die, so don't do that.